Deputy Commander, National Police College Embakasi Campus, Mr. Mwangi, Deputy Commander Sifu, Madam Danu, the Achukan National Police College Embakasi Campus, senior officers present, members of CLATI, ladies and gentlemen, good morning, good afternoon. Good afternoon. It's another special moment we've met here as a National Police Service fraternity to celebrate the achievement of our brother, Chirchir. I know it's a great milestone to the NPS and to the society at large. I know it has not been easy to organize your thoughts, to organize his literature, and come up with a book from the first page to the last page, from the first chapter to the last chapter. I know it has taken a lot of discipline, it has taken a lot of hard work, and a lot of resilience that we are here today to celebrate him. And I'm sure and I know that this book is going to impact on the lives of many, because I know suicide will inspire anybody who is at the verge of losing hope. To crown this occasion, we are going to celebrate with a cake. The cake before us symbolizes the book that we are launching today. I know the book which we are launching has got a lot of good information, it has got a lot of inspirational words, it has got a lot of words of encouragement, just like this cake. This cake is sweet as the book itself. So we are going to cut the cake, and I'd like to invite our chief guest to join us. I'd also like to invite Sakangani to join us. And our host today, our Deputy Commandant, kindly join us for the cake cutting, plus the presiding people, kindly join us for the cake cutting. Meanwhile, DJ, can you give us a song by Ada N?